Dear students, welcome to your English language online lessons. Today we are going to finish our model, which is model 4. And now please take your student book, go to page 76 and 77. Go to page 76 and 77. Nice. Now, before we start, the lesson will contain the following. So we have vocabulary, weather, and we have skills. Talk about the weather. So the main two components in our lesson today is weather and to talk about the weather. So let's go directly to the page. So page 76, as you can notice, we have what? We have a picture of what? Tell me please. Look to all the pictures and what? Tell me. Good. Okay, as usual, we have a main topic, which is come, rain or shine. Come, rain or shine. Okay, let's start with the vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary, we have weather. 1A, listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. So please, I will read the words and you repeat after me. We have 35 Celsius, boiling hot, 30 Celsius, hot, 20 Celsius, warm, 50 Celsius, cool, 10 Celsius, chilly, 5 Celsius, what? Cold, good, and minus 5 Celsius, freezing cold. Freezing cold. And we have here sunny, cloudy, snowy, and windy. Sunny, cloudy, snowy, and windy. Now, what? Now, let's read the words again. Let me read the words again for you. So listen and repeat. We have boiling hot, hot, warm, cold, chilly, cold, and freezing. Now let's go to exercise B, which is ask and answer as in the example. Okay, which example? This example. So, what's the weather like in Athens today? It's hot and sunny. So here we have cities from different countries in the world and we have the weather of these cities. So the way we ask is, what's the weather like in Athens today? It's hot and sunny. Okay. Now give me the question how we ask about London, Moscow and Rome and give me the answer. Nice. Now let me give you the answer of London, Moscow and Rome. I will keep New York for you to do it by yourself. So B. A. What's the weather like in London today? B. It's cold and cloudy. Look, it's cold, 50 degrees, it's cold and cloudy. Cloudy, good. A. What's the weather like in Moscow today? Look at Moscow. It's what? Cold. It's freezing cold and snowy. It's minus. It's freezing cold and snowy. A. What's the weather like in Rome today? It's warm and sunny. Okay, look at Rome. It's 20 means it's warm and this picture of sunny. Okay, you can do the New York by yourself. And now let's move to reading. Okay, here we have a paragraph Okay, a paragraph. Let's read the paragraph, but before that, let me read the question A for you. Look at the pictures from 1 to 5, which shows a woolen jumper, a green pair of trousers, a cap, a scarf, gloves, boots, a jacket, and why Brian wearing all those clothes. Listen and read to find out. So, keep this question in mind and let me read the dialogue for you. 1. Brian, they said it's going to be very cold on the Weather Channel. How cold, Mom? -5 degrees Celsius. 2. I'm going to wear a woolen jumper and a thick pair of trousers. 3. I should also wear my jacket, my cap, a scarf and gloves, and my boots. 4. Why are you wearing all those clothes, Brian? Because you said it's going to be cold. Not today, 5. Not today, Brian, tomorrow. Now take off those things before you roast. I can't reach the zipper, Mom. Help. So, now let's try 2. Which picture show the following clothes? So we have a woolen jumper, picture 2, a green pair of trousers shown in picture 3 and 4, a cap in picture 3 and 4, a scarf also picture 3 and 4, gloves in picture 3, 4 and 5, boots in picture 3 and 4, a jacket in picture 3, 4 and 5. And let's answer the question why Brian is wearing all those clothes. He is wearing those clothes because he thinks the weather is cold. And what about B? Let's go to read B. Okay, let's go back. B, read again and mark the sentences true, false, or doesn't say. So we have 1, it's warm. 2, Brian can't find his winter jacket. And 3, it's going to be cold tomorrow. 4, Brian is going to go skiing tomorrow. The answers is 1 doesn't say, 2 is false, 3 is true, 4 is doesn't say. And for exercise C is given a suitable topic for the paragraph. I give you the freedom to do to name the paragraph or to give the suitable name of or to the paragraph. And now let's go to page 77. Here we have 3. A. Look at the pictures. Name the items from 1 to 20. List them under the headings. Okay, so we have who is going to spend their holiday in a cold, warm place. Cold, warm place. So we have Laura and Tony, and it's clear who is going to spend his holiday in a warm place and in a cold place also. So we have here clothes, footwear, accessories, and others. As I have said, we have Laura and Tony. So let's list the things under the headings. Okay, so 1, we have a dress. 2, sun hat. 3, suitcase, good. 4, flip-flops. 5, t-shirt. 6, skirt. 7, sandals. 8, shorts. 9, swimsuit. 10, jacket. 11, boots. 12, belt. 13, gloves. 14, jacket. 15, scarf. 16, camera. 17, jumper. 18, woolen cap, 19 shirt, 20 is jeans. Okay, so these are the list under the headings, and now let's go to exercise B. Complete the sentences so that are true for each one or for each person. So Laura is going to stay in a warm place, and Tony, clear it's he is going to stay in a cold place. And now try to answer exercise B. Pause the video and do the exercise after I give you the answers. Good. Now let me give you the answers. So Laura and Tony are going to travel by plane. 3. Tony is going to take photographs. 4. Tony isn't going to sunbathe. 5. Laura isn't going to ski. 6. Tony isn't going to hike up a mountain. And we have exercise 4. After that, use words from exercise 1 to complete the sentences. Again, pause the video and try to answer this question. In my country, it's what? It's boiling hot in the summer. Good. 2. It's cool and chilly in the autumn. 3. It's freezing cold in the winter. 4. It's warm in the spring. Good. Dear students, make sure you write all the answers in your student book. And the last exercise in our lesson today is speaking. Get a newspaper. Use the weather chart to present the weather forecast to the class. You can do the speaking exercise with your friends or groups. If you have a group in your school, friends, if you have a group with your school friends, you can do this exercise together. What I can say is thank you for your attention and see you next week inshallah. But before that, I give you exercise 1 and 2, page 116. I give you an exercise on a homework, page 116, exercise 1 and 2. Try to do it, please. You can look at your student book. You can look to your rules, grammatical rules, to do the exercise clearly. And if you have any problem, you can also watch the lesson 2 or 1 for more understanding. Thank you so much for your attention again, and see you next week inshallah. Goodbye.